Review. Okay. Right? You gotta review. Morning guys. Today's Daddy Sunday. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna take Rajero to school. I'm gonna get him dressed. It's my day. You know, normally I doesn't do it as often as I should because I'm more busier one in the family. But never guess what? The work continues. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna get him dressed, bring him to school, pick him up. It's our day today. So everything that Daddy's involved in today, as long as Rajero is here, it's our day. So we're gonna start by dressing Raj, dressing him, brush his teeth and so forth, and then you know you guys just stay tuned to see how the rest of the day pan out. Y'all ensure to have a blessed day today. It's a beautiful day. It's nice and hot. So ensure that y'all enjoy the weather. Have a blessed day. Come in, come. So guys, no, we've been showing him how to dress himself. He knows how to dress himself, but you know what? We're running behind on time. So I'm just gonna assist him in getting him dressed and so forth. So let's go, Papi. Come. Let's go. Come, Daddy. Come. Hold on to Daddy. Don't drop, okay? Okay. You're gonna have a great day today at school. Remember, Daddy's gonna ask you what happened today at school, so ensure that you pay attention. Ensure you pay attention to all that the teacher teaches you today, all the activities that you do, because Daddy's gonna ask how school goes today. All right? Yeah. So ensure that you remember. Try to retain everything that the teacher says today. All right?
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy. Come on, let's go.
Pack your lunch.
And yeah, I'm gonna pack your lunch. Daddy's gonna do everything for you too. You don't worry about it, alright? Yeah. You're more interested in packing your You're more interested in packing your lunch? Huh? Is Judge more interested in packing his lunch? Wait, look what you're doing, Daddy. I love you. Make sure you hold on then.
Ow.
Let's go. It's my boy, my beautiful boy. Come take this up. You gotta focus, Dan. Come. You just focus for once. Can you focus for once, Raj? And let Daddy get this done.
Yeah, has his cool.
Yeah? Very strong boy. Love you. Okay. Just in case you get hot, you can always take this off, okay?
Yep.
And keep this on, alright?
Yep.
Okay. Come. Are you excited to go to school?
Yep.
Okay. What did we talk about every day? We're not gonna do any shoving, alright? We're not gonna do any pushing. We're gonna be obedient to what the teacher said. Listen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Be good to all the kids, alright? You're a really big boy, so you gotta take that into consideration, okay? Yes, so because you're big, you're a bit intimidating to the other kids. So we gotta be more on the softer side, right? Not on the aggressive side, okay? Let's go brush your teeth. Come on. You want to show them how you brush your teeth? Huh? Okay, here you go. Here, show them how you brush your teeth. Are you gonna show them? No? Alright, let's go. Let's do it. Rinse your mouth first, yeah. No, rinse your mouth. Put the water and rinse your mouth first. Put a little in your mouth and goggle it. And then spit it out. Goggle, goggle, goggle. Then you spit. Good boy. Come, let's go now. Here. That is gonna still help you, but I want you to show them. Show them how you brush your teeth. Show them how Rajero brushes teeth.
No.
Okay, come. I think you're not in the mood today. Come on. Oh, open. Mean their kids, you can't push them, right? You gotta have some form of patience with them, because they like to have their way too. So I had to learn, like, hey, as babies you can't push them. You gotta have like some form of sympathy. You gotta know how their brain works also, right? So yeah, and I had to learn that the hard way. I didn't have any experience with kids. Go like this, daddy. I didn't have any experience with kids, and so when he first came, I was a bit harsh on him at first, and then I had to realize, hey, their brain is still developing, and you need to like have patience with them, like, yeah, more compassion, so they wants to be around you. Spit. You want to spit? Okay, come. Let daddy brush your tongue. And remember your tongue is the most important part. So in brushing your teeth, all like it's long. Oh yeah, nice. Always remember that your tongue is the most important. You gotta clean your tongue. Come here to me. And stay right here. And don't move. Daddy have to clean your tongue. Nice. Come on. Get this? You gotta rinse your mouth and clean. Finish? Go one more. Rinse it one more time, daddy. Go again. Yeah. Good boy. Nice. So guys, these are some face cloth that we have. I'm just gonna clean your face. Come here, daddy, come. Gotta clean your face, right? Rajero is not finished yet. Hey, come here to me. Good. Nice.
So he takes a bath every night so that in the morning we just got to get him ready and to go. You want to put your hat on, Papa?
Get your shoes on, Dan. Make sure that you have fun today at school, okay? Yeah. And remember, retain everything the teacher said, because you have to tell daddy, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love you. My smart boy.
Yeah.
Alright, come. Cream you up.
Ow.
Guys, you know what? Since I get here, I start calling this cream, you know. Everything we said is lotion back home, right? So, I'm gonna cream up my baby face. Get him nice and sweet. Right, daddy?
Yeah.
He gets really dry around his mouth area. Make sure you get the, I don't know why, but he gets really dry around there. Hold on, Papa.
Ow.
Love you.
Daddy doing a good job? Daddy's doing a good job?
Alright, come.
Okay.
Wait. You have really good hair, but your mom find it hard to train it, right? And she doesn't have our hair, so come here. Come here. I will train him here, because I have really good hair and I have waves already. Come here to me, Daddy. Daddy is not hurting you, okay? We're safe here. I just got to get you ready for school, alright?
Yeah.
We're safe. Trust me. There's nothing to worry about or run about. Okay? But you just have to train it. Come. He hates this, but I have to get it done. Because if I leave his here, if y'all know pepper grain, we don't want pepper grain, Raj. Okay?
Yeah.
So I have to train it here properly. If you guys can see, I have really good ear. You ready? Good. See that? Show them a ear. You got good hair? Your ear's properly brushed?
You just say, I don't like getting my hair. Tell everybody, I don't like getting my hair brushed. Tell them. He's not in the mood to be on camera. All right, what you gonna have to eat? Tell Daddy what you want to eat.
I will put a lunch case in the bag.
Say that again?
I will put a lunch case in the bag.
You're gonna put your lunch in a bag, okay.
So guys, I'm gonna get this lunch ready. Get all the stuff that Raj is bringing to school today. We ain't leaving this, right? All of these is lunch. He's a very picky eater, guys, if you know him. So you have to give him a large variety of stuff. Sometimes he bring everything back home, and next time he will eat. But for sure, he always eat his banana. So we have to make sure that is in his lunch kit also. You know, you have a granola bar, whatever. So let's go pack your lunch.
Pizza.
This is a pizza, Raj. And you have your cheese, okay, Daddy?
Yep.
Okay, and you have your crackers, right?
Yep.
Okay. There's cheese and there's crackers.
And your
Banana, your banana, and your granola bar. Yeah, and your crackers, right?
And your crackers.
And this is hummus. Remember you had some last night and you liked it? That's hummus for your crackers, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. So, yeah, you all ready. Close your bag now, Daddy.
Okay, where's your bag? Go get your book bag. Go get your book bag.
Okay, over here.
Right here, Raj.
Huh? Okay.
Raj, put that down. It's not time for that. You can go on that after you leave school today. The bag is right there.
Not in the house.
Hey, Raj.
Yeah.
You will just talk about put that down. It's not time for that now, right?
Yeah.
Put it down, Daddy, please. Please. And come put your hat on. Put your hat on.
Yeah.
That's it. That's here. Okay. Alright. Love you. Mwah. Okay, Daddy's gonna get
Okay,
ready.
Raj, come. You're not ready yet. Where does that go? Show Daddy where that goes.
Show that.
In the bag.
It goes in here. Put it in there.
It goes in there.
And where does this go?
In the bag.
In your bag?
Yeah.
Okay, put it in your bag there, puppy.
There you go. Now put your bag on your back. Daddy can do it. Put your bag on your back.
You have to have something to eat, okay? Let's have a banana, right? Just gonna have a banana for breakfast. So you have to have something, right? I don't know why are you all so picky with eating here. Guys, if there's something I've learned with kids since I get here also, you can't force them. You understand? Don't force them to do anything. Allow them to be independent and make their own decisions in whatever, because they're in this stage of their life, their mind is developing. You understand what I mean? So you have to allow them to do that. So yeah, I mean, I won't force him to eat if he said he's not hungry. He's not hungry, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna force food on him. It's just the time when you have to make his own decision. When he's hungry, he will eat, definitely. So I've learned that over the years. So let's go, man. Come on.
Yes, Rajero?
You take up your key?
I want to go to Daddy's car.
Go Daddy's car?
We're gonna use Daddy car come back for you. Okay, later. Alright? Mommy's gonna use your car today.
Can I go in Mommy's car?
Yeah. He loves going to school, guys.
Open your seat, Daddy. Yeah, Daddy's gonna drive today, don't worry. Right here. Put it. Thank you. Take up your banana.
Okay. Yeah, Kane's off work today, guys, so he is doing everything that needs to be done with the Rajero. I'm going to be back to work in a couple of weeks, so he's going to have to, you know, get him ready for school some mornings, take him to school, pick him up. So it's very important that we both know exactly the routine. Yeah. Hope you're all having a blessed day. And we all take turns doing everything around here, so I'm doing the garbage. And he's gonna come pick me up. So we're kind of reversing roles today.
Okay, Papi. You're off to school now, Dada?
Yeah.
Okay. Remember what Daddy said to you this morning?
Yes.
Make sure that there's no shoving today, okay? And be a good boy. Enjoy the day, alright?
Yeah.
There's nothing more to life than to enjoy life. But Daddy also wanted to retain everything the teacher said today, alright, Papa?
You gotta learn how to drive standard again? No.
I'm gonna go for the driving test with this.
Oh.
I have to be all like have my hand on the gear stick like this.
Yeah.
And just be doing this, you understand what I mean?
Right.
So guys, don't mind me, I'm going for a bigger license. My job requires it, so I have to do it. But I'm like, I need a car to go for the driving test. So I'm like, if I go with the standard, right? I like having one hand on the gear stick and one hand on the steering, right? So I was like, I'd have to, you know, Canada basically, when you go in for your driving test, two hands have to be on the steering, right? So this is how I have to be changing the gear like this and then putting back my hand on the gear stick like this, and I'm like, wow, this is gonna be awkward because I mean, I like having my hand on the gear stick, just driving and focusing and stuff, but hey, listen, if you do it your way, then you fail. So you better like do it their way and get it over. So I was like, yeah, that was like basically what I'm saying.
Okay.
I'm like, it's not learning to drive standard again. Come on, it's what do you say? I can't lose it. The moment I get it, I can't lose it. There's no way. Funny enough, guys, I got my first ticket here, first and only, because I'm not getting any more driving this. Because I'm having fun and yeah, the cop ran me down. I'm not happy about it. It's nothing I'm happy about. I never talk about it. Because this happened like 2 years ago or something. A cop ran me down and gave me a ticket in this. Because I mean, when you're in a standard, man, you're having fun, gears changing, and you don't give a mess about nothing. So me and baby's going, she's vlogging away. No. She was
Yeah,
just,
we were on our way to church and I was vlogging, I think, was I?
yeah, and I think we were running late and I was just having fun changing gears and stuff, and a cop ran me down. So yeah, ever since that time I'm cautious of how I drive, you know what I mean? Because yeah, this is not Jamaica, man, and yeah, you gotta be careful of everything you do. So yeah, Rajero is off to school, we're getting that done. So
Yep. Stay tuned.
Take care of business.
Give mom kisses. I love you. Be a good boy, okay? No pushing.
Guys, a bad up thing this morning. My wife had bad me up. Got them say, yo, coffee. So I can't do nothing. It's a bad up morning. Me and her car until we go back for Rajero still, but she's like, yo, coffee. So I have to get coffee. But guys, as I'm saying before, remember we were talking, and as I said before, with like these kids, I never have any experience. I was just growing Raj since he get here based off how I was taught or how my mom grew me, right? So I realized with these kids, their brain doesn't develop off like how our mom grows. You know what I mean? That you're more creating trauma for them, and you're more making them resent to like distancing themselves from you, and that's what I don't want with Raj. So like the way I approach things now, it's just different. You know what I mean? Like the way I used to approach things is more on the rougher side, like just based off how our parents used to deal with us. But I realized like kids' brain doesn't work like that, and I only have one kid, you know what I mean, and it's Rajero. So ain't no way I want to give him like the worst experience, you know what I mean, and let him be distanced from me. So like since recently I started taking a different approach, you know what I mean, and he starts seeing like more improvement in his behavior and stuff like that. So
Yeah.
you know what I mean, I just try to be more careful on how I handle things, you know what I mean, and sometimes I just doesn't even step in. I'm like, hey babe, you deal with it, that's it. Because like I realized that how a man deal with it, it's like you got less patience. And for me, I'm still trying to exercise my patience with Rajero because he's a boy, you know, they go to work, right? So I'm still trying to exercise my patience and like learn how to deal with him. So yeah, like with that said, yeah man, but he's off to school now.
And I'm really strict with him, right? You hear me?
Yeah, but
I'm really I don't let him, like if I tell him to do something and he's not listening, then like for instance, he's not allowed to drive his scooter in the house. The scooter is an outdoor toy. I tell him you can drive it to the elevator, to the car, after school we will drive it at the park or whatever, but I don't want you driving it around the house, especially 8:30 in the morning. Or we have quiet time in our apartment, 10 to 10, so people are sleeping underneath us, and I don't want him riding his scooter all over the house at 8:30 in the morning. So, and it's dirty, it's outside, and I just don't want it in the house, right? So it's just a rule that I have, and he has to abide by it. So this morning he was driving it all around the house, and I said, okay, you're not driving it to the car now. And he looked at me and I said, well, don't I tell you every morning you're not allowed to drive it in the house? He said, yes. I said, okay, and you're driving it in the house, so now you're not driving it today. And you know, so now I bet you he won't do it again. You have to do something so that he will know. Another thing that works really well with Raj is tell him to go in on the bed, no TV, and just sit there. Yeah, just you're going to go in the bed. If you're not gonna, you know, whatever, stop doing whatever you're doing, you're going to bed. And he does not want to go to bed, so he'll stop doing whatever it is.
Listen, kudos to all the parents out there that like find the best strategy for their kids, for them to listen and just obey them and stuff. Because I find it like I'm learning every day. You understand? And I'm learning as I'm going. You know what I mean? So like here in Canada, it helps me a lot. Because as I said before, you're always learning. Your mind keep developing. You know what I mean? You just keep going, and that's one of the things that I have to like say kudos to this country, because even when you feel like you lost it as a parent, there's something or somebody, are you gonna do some course that's gonna help you to like develop back and help you to keep going, and just remind you that hey, it's not finished here, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's kudos, man. And yeah, big up all of the parents them where every day you get up and you keep going, because sometimes I find it really stressful, really hard, and I feel like I just can't do it anymore. But then like with a wife like me, she just like reaffirm and reassure me that hey babe, listen, hey, this is a part of it, and you have to like get with it, you know what I mean? We have no time to break down and cry, or you know what I mean, stress over something, like, you know what I mean, that you have to keep going. So yeah, definitely, man. Big up to all the parents them.
And if we don't teach them, someone else is going to teach them. So we want to instill our values. Not saying that we're perfect or anything.
Large 1 milk double cup.
Yeah, large coffee, 1 milk double cup. Make it extra special for my wife. Thank you.
Anything else?
I think that's about it.
Okay, that'll be $2.44.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. And there's also a lot of programs here to help children. So, you know, if we feel like he needs help in any areas, we're going to be right on that. The government is here to help the children. He still has a year before he goes to school. So, like, he's in preschool right now, but like the actual school. So if he's lacking in any areas that he may need some extra help, whether it be his speech or his understanding or his motor skills or whatever, there's lots of help here. So we're on that as well. And that's behind the scenes. We're just seeing what we can do with that. And yeah, so Canada, yeah, it's good. It's good. There's lots of things here to help to make sure that we succeed, no matter what our ability is.
You pay a lot of tax here in Canada, but you see what you're like, you see why you're paying it, you know what I mean? Free healthcare, you know what I mean? Free schooling until they're like, you know what I mean, like maybe college,
grade 12,
you know
yeah.
I mean? So like these are the things. Like my mom live in the States, and the amount of money that we have to, like the other day she was sick, the amount of money that we have to like really invest in my mom for her to get some medical attention in this, it was like wow. I'm like, mom, you better come and live here, because you would never have to pay for so much things. So like I said before, you pay a lot of tax, but you see why you're paying it, and it doesn't even, I mean, sometimes it's a bit depressing, because sometimes you will owe the government and so forth if you work a lot, but you see why, you know what I mean? It's like they take care of the citizens, you know what I mean? So I have no bad blood or nothing bad to say about the government in that regard, because
when he first came, guys, oh my goodness, he was so mad when he found out, like,
no, but you don't bring like literally, it's not like, for instance, if your check is $3,000, you bring home like 2,200, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You're not bringing home like half of that.
Sometimes
it's really a lot of tax, you know what I mean? So
it depends what bracket.
Oh, sorry, thanks.
There's tax brackets here, so if you make a certain amount as a family, you're in one tax bracket, and if you make another amount, you're in another tax bracket. You know, when you think of it, I don't even look at the tax portion. I just look at the portion I'm bringing home. And, you know, I was born and raised here, so I'm used to it. And, you know, our roads are good. We don't have garbage around our roads. The air is clean. The school is free. The hospital, the health care is free. Like, we have a lot of benefits. We might pay a lot of taxes, but we have and another thing, childcare here is $10 a day. I remember back in the day having to spend like $800 to $1,000 for childcare. It's like $200 for a month here, and the government is paying the rest of it. So, you know, we got to give them props where props is due. There's a lot of bad things the government is doing. There's a lot of things we don't agree, but, you know, we try to focus on the positive, not the negative, and we just leave the rest to the Lord and pray to God that, yeah, that everything will be, you know, the way He wants it to be. Yeah, that's all we can do. We can't change the things we can't change, but I'm gonna look at the positives, and that's what keeps me going. But it's a beautiful day here today. Look, we got a beautiful view here in Campbell River. just clean and beautiful here.
There's a Jamaican flag. I see somewhere around this side. It's right here. See it?
What is it you're looking for?
Jamaican flag. I want to see it.
Oh, there's a Jamaican flag, guys. Look. So there must be a Jamaican person who's here.
So guys, remember me telling you it's Daddy Sunday, right? So Rajero know because we talked to him already, say he's gonna help me with cooking dinner. So feel like for some big back activities for the longest while. So I'm gonna cook some big back food today, so he's gonna help me. But I'm just gonna do the shopping until I go and get him. So we're at the superstore. So that's what we're about to do. We're gonna grab some stuff. Like, hey, you ain't leaving me, so you know, once me out, you know, she go on there by my side 100%. So let's do it. Guys, stop for Rajero, oxtail this, $20 for this. Yup. This we got the butcher. Butcher is far away, but look at this. Kidney. My wife now eat no kidney, so
I would.
for this,
You
but
cooked it
she
good, I
not.
would.
She won't eat any kidney.
If I will, if you cook it good.
Crazy.
Anything you cook that's good, I'll eat.
Started goat. 25 and I'll put them in the food. 29. Yeah, lamb. Look at that. $32 for lamb. Guys, remember I'm telling you about the big back activities. So definitely what I'm feeling for today is some mac and cheese. So I'll do some mac and cheese today. Or probably fry some chicken. Roger is gonna help us with that. So yeah, I'm really excited to go and get him from school because he's excited to help us with it too. So yeah, I'm gonna grab some cheese, like 3 different cheese. Then I'll grab the mozzarella. Gonna grab the marble farmer's cheese. And I'm gonna grab the cheddar. So all 3 cheeses what I'm gonna use today for the mac and cheese. Definitely. So this is it. Yeah, I think we have pasta at home, but if I doesn't have any,
No, we
we're
do.
gonna see. Yeah, we have pasta. So maybe always ensure that, make sure I'm chopped up. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Guys, we're out on a small date while Roger is at school. Why not? You know what I mean? We haven't do this as regular, but never guess what? Then my baby's out on a small date. She's treating her husband today. Isn't that sweet? Isn't that lovely?
We're at
So, yeah.
Moxie's.
We're at Moxie's. We're gonna have some lunch and then we'll probably just run and go and get Raj before we get home. So, yeah.
Guys, if you come to Moxie's and you like beets, you need to try this beet salad. So good. I got it with salmon. Mwah. It's so good. Moxie's beet salad. It's my first time trying it. So good. How's yours been?
Yeah, active.
You go.
Well, me just a man. Caesar salad and wings. That's my stuff.
Whether he's home or at a restaurant, he's getting the same thing. I normally get the sweet chili Thai wraps or lettuce wraps or whatever, but I decided to try this beet salad. Oh my gosh, like so good.
Guys, so Dan, same one going at the red car, daddy car. So, as promised, we're gonna pick him up back in daddy's car. So let's go.
Hey, Papa. Put your seatbelt on, Papa. And now Daddy's coming to help. Oh. You got it?
What? Roger got it.
See, Daddy, I'm a big boy now. You got it. There you go. Good job. How was your day at school? Good? What'd you do today?
I went to the bus.
You went on the bus? And where'd you guys go when you went on the bus?
I went to the playground.
Oh, you went to the playground. Oh, okay.
You know what? You know what, Raj? Daddy's so proud of you because you did what Daddy asked of you. I told you, I said, listen, I'm gonna quiz you on what you did today. And you really come home and explain what you did at school. Touch me. Love you, boy. Love you, Dada.
His vocabulary is coming along every day, learning new things, bigger sentences, understanding what we're asking him. He's doing so well. Mommy's proud of you. Yeah. Okay, so we went shopping. We went to the playground. Now he wants to go in the house. Gosh, it's gorgeous, gorgeous day. Holy.
Scorching hot.
Scorching hot. Although there is a breeze, a warm breeze, so that makes it a lot better, eh, babe? A warm, cool breeze. Pardon me, honey?
Yeah.
It's in the bag. It's in the bag, right? Yeah. Yes, guys. Welcome back to Akim's kitchen. We've been gone for a minute, but we're there. Yeah, so today menu is I do some mac and cheese and fried chicken, you know. That's my telling you this morning, big back activities, you know. So that's what's on the menu today. So I get the cheese them all shredded and ready, you know, and get the fire going.
Okay. Block number 2. Block number 3. It's going to be cheesy, y'all. Cheesy macaroni.
Just in case y'all wondering where's Raj. Raj is missing. Raj is chilling with his sister. So yeah, you just take on the pot until him come out, you know? If you know not force him, I done that. So we just take on the road until we see Raj. I just missing with his sister right now. Busy. Like a bees.
So what'd you put in the water so far? Just salt?
Yeah, just salt. We didn't need anything else in it.
Okay. And I noticed you didn't season the chicken up. What are you making?
Not yet.
What are you making though?
Fried chicken, maybe.
Oh, fried
fried,
chicken.
We're in no rush, okay?
Yep.
It's a pot that we're gonna enjoy, love. Okay, baby?
Are you going to tell everyone what you're putting on here? Cayenne pepper,
Yeah, that's cayenne
hot pepper flakes.
A bit spicy today, so
Oh, okay.
yeah.
All right, what's this one?
Black pepper.
Black pepper, okay.
Salt. When we were in Toronto, I fried some chicken for my brother. Oh my god, they went crazy for it. They're like, oh my, I've been waiting for you to come and fry some chicken. I don't know why I never get that on camera, but
Did we not?
no, I don't think so.
Oh my gosh, how did we not get the fried chicken on there? That's crazy. What? I can't even remember. Guys, we do so many vlogs, I don't even remember. I can't believe we didn't do the fried chicken. Okay. My bad. I'm the camera girl. Maybe I was too busy
This is
chatting.
paprika, guys.
Paprika?
Yeah.
Smoked paprika. And some Maggie all-purpose. And this is a Keen's special mix.
That's it.
That's it. That's all she wrote.
Murder, she wrote.
Murder, she wrote. Murder, she wrote. I want to go to karaoke and try to sing some Jamaican. That would be funny. That would be hilarious. Me trying to sing Jamaican.
Yeah.
We need to do that, and we need to vlog it.
But babe, you're a singer though, so.
Yeah, but if you get me out of my comfort zone and I do reggae, that would be. I don't sing reggae or.
Know any reggae song?
Murder she wrote, na na na. Murder she wrote, and who am I? A King's Dem Sugar. Who am I? King's Dem Sugar. Something like that.
You don't want to say the other part of that.
I don't know the words.
Like some chicken. Rub in the seasoning. Don't fret for rubbing in the seasoning. You know. Rub in the seasoning there. This is what we're doing today. Rifle. Or like rifle. Yes, Jack.
We got garlic and onion. We got cheese. All right. Something easy and delicious, right, babe?
That's it. I should turn this open on so it's gone preheat.
So is it al dente?
Yeah, al dente. It's al dente, baby. You have to remember, so when it go in, to go cook again, you know. So
Yeah.
I really want it to be al dente. That's what we're working with.
And you're rinsing it with cold water.
Yeah. It's called a shocking process.
I got some shocking news. That was the shocking process. I've got some shocking news. Guys, my daughter and her boyfriend are moving out into their own place. So Rajero's gonna have his own bedroom.
Yeah, Rajero's gonna have his own room, you know.
Yep, in a couple of weeks.
Own bed, so yeah.
Stay tuned with us to get that ready. That's gonna be exciting to get his bedroom all Rajero-fied. Yeah. Okay, so what you got going on here, my love?
So guys, don't be afraid for seasoning flour. So that's the process. This is the process of me seasoning my flour, baby.
Okay, and what all did you put in there?
I put black pepper. I put complete. And I put a little bit of smoked paprika.
Smoked paprika, okay.
This
Black
to give the chicken a nice color.
Okay.
So don't be afraid to put it here. I'll show them what I've done. Okay, I start fry the chicken before I make my cheese sauce for the mac and cheese. So chicken that go and marinate up, and my oil I go and hot. So guys, I put the coating on my chicken. This is how I coat it. I put it in now. Raj, you forget that you're gonna help Daddy cook today?
Yeah.
You forget. It's just coming out.
Yeah.
Okay.
A little piece of butter.
Yeah, butter.
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 Butter. So guys, I'm probably the only person you ever see do this, you know, the mac and cheese. But personally for me, I think onion and garlic give my mac and cheese more flavor, so I'll add half of this. Or yeah, probably that. That's good enough.
I think I've seen people put onion and garlic in their mac and
Okay.
cheese. I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
Pretty sure.
Yeah, so now this is how I like my mac and cheese, you know. So it smells real good today. I'm making the cheese sauce, guys. So. Everything that I have, praise the Lord. Chicken them up right for one nice, you know. Take it time. Rice chicken need 15 to 20 minutes to fry. We're not in a rush. Understand? Yeah, flavor we are go for and the food I cook with love. So that's what we're about today. Right?
Are you making the
Talk about the roux. Yeah.
Yes, love.
Yeah, do more toys to play with?
We've got tons of toys. Tons of toys, honey. What's that, paprika?
Yeah.
Complete. Onion. Maggie on purpose. Hey, let's tell them the story about some of our stuff we got. They confiscated it.
Oh guys, yeah, some of the things we have come over with, you know, they take it away from us in the airport. But
So if you're traveling, guys, with Maggie all purpose, it got to go underneath. We should have. I should have known that. It's my fault.
I did know that, but you know what?
Yeah, our suitcases were
Yeah,
full.
I doesn't need to explain nothing. My wife already take accountability, so yeah, I ain't gonna say anything more.
Yeah, I was like, oh, put it in your bag, babe. You can carry it. But I didn't know that. First of all, I didn't know you weren't allowed to bring seasonings. And then they took the ackee and said it was liquid.
So we haven't
my
come over with
gosh.
no ackee, guys. So
We got one. They didn't get one that was in Rajero's bag. They left one ackee and we got the one all-purpose, and they took the other one. So we lost a few things, but not everything. But yeah.
like this is how thick it is. I may have to take my time and add the cheese. I know I break the cheese in, so that's one nice good mac and cheese. So that's what we're doing. I build the sauce. Yeah. Everything that I have, praise the Lord. So the cheese I take it time and I break in. That's what we're looking for.
So what should the stove be on?
As long as you can manage it, you can put it. If you want it on high, you put it on high. As long as you can manage it, yeah. As long as you can manage it, there's no problem. We are looking for something cheesy and creamy. Can I taste it? This to me want more flavor. flavor is there, you know, but to me, a little touch more of this.
Salt.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a little touch more Maggi. Yeah. Yeah, deal. Chicken come on nice, you know. But cheese sauce is finished. We don't need nothing more than that. So, yeah.
Looking good.
Want a proper cheesy mac and cheese, so this is how we do it. Nothing now waste, nothing now dash it.
Hold on, baby.
You're supposed to help Daddy cook before you forget. The truth it is. Guys, mac and cheese will be going in the oven. Nice. Let that bake you now.
Okay. Second batch is in. Babe is trying it.
Mac and cheese. Toast there, toast. No toast. The toast there, toast. Yeah.
Yes, my baby. You mommy's boy?
Yeah.
Mommy loves you. Daddy's cooking some fried chicken and some mac and cheese, okay?
I want some water.
You want some water there? Here's mommy's water, here. Mommy got some water right there. No?
I want some blue water.
I think it's in Sissy's room, my love. So you got your blue cup?
Yeah.
Okay, let's mommy. Cheers! Let's drink to a good supper.
Yeah.
Water is so good.
Yeah.
Who's the best son in the world? Is Rajero the best son in the world?
Yeah, this mommy's son well.
Who's the best?
Yeah.
Who's the best?
Yeah, who's that?
You're the best.
Yeah. Okay, guys, let's drink our water.
Let's drink our water. Ooh, so good.
It's so good now.
So refreshing.
So refreshing. Cheese.
Cheese. Soon all these toys are going to be in your room.
Yeah.
Oh. You're going to have a room soon?
Yeah.
What? Babe's working hard. Oh my gosh. Air conditioning's working on overtime. The oven is going. Oh my goodness. It's hot in the kitchen. Whoa.
Wait a second, Mommy.
What, baby?
We got them bananas.
You know there's bananas. Mommy got bananas on top of the fridge, my love. Mommy got bananas, but you're going to have some supper really soon, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, babe. Was it good, babe? Babe's eating out of the pot. The crispy part, yeah.
Crisp part. Nice. Yeah. Hot in the kitchen. Hot, hot. Hot. Whoa.
So guys, I'm just gonna have a
Look at
little
that.
taste.
Look at that.
I'm gonna have a little taste.
Hey, ain't out the vlog, baby.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. We love you. We appreciate you. We're so close to 5,000 subscribers. Thank you to everybody who subscribed. If you're watching now and you haven't, please go and hit the subscribe button. It helps to grow our channel. Also like, comment, and share out the video to people that you might think might like our channel. And yeah, we hope you enjoyed this one, guys. And until the next one.
Peace.
God bless.
Working on it, babe. You know?
So good.
Family.
So good.
Done a work on film. How is it, Raj? You like it? Yeah? Do some wine, guys. So this, you know, you want to big up on yourself and bless up on yourself, yeah?
Ireland boss, and I represent for Akeem and Jed. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, and I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?